Sine, cosine, and tangent are three trigonometric functions to tell us the ratios of the lengths of the sides of a right-angled triangle. Remember that you're always referring to a specific angle x, or you might see it as the Greek letter theta, but I'll just stick with x here. When we consider which sides are the opposite and adjacent, you can't just pick any one you want, the functions are really specific. So the sine of this bottom angle tells you the ratio of the angle's opposite side to the hypotenuse of the right-angled triangle. That's the SOH. Sine is O over h. I find the hypotenuse is always the easiest to identify and label first, since the hypotenuse is always the side opposite the right angle. And then the opposite side, we trace our finger across from the angle, that's the opposite, and sine is just the ratio of the opposite to the hypotenuse. Whereas cosine will tell you the ratio of that same angle's adjacent side to the hypotenuse. And finally, tangent will tell you the ratio of the opposite to the adjacent sides. Practice labeling those sides, the hypotenuse, the opposite, and the adjacent, to get familiar with these functions, and SOHCAHTOA will start to make way more sense.